Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the addition has been done by the assessing officer for the cash deposited into his bank account during the assessment year which was relevant for the demonetization period. The issue before the Chandigarh ITAT was that if it was a regular phenomena for the assessee to deposit the cash into his bank account according to the nature of the business of the assessee, and the assessee has demonstrated during the assessment proceedings that this cash is out of the cash sales and cash received from its debtors, so whether in that case adding that amount under section 68 is justified. This issue has been taken up by Chandigarh ITAT in the case of Rajiv Dua versus income tax officer. This case is reported in 126 ITR Tribunal short note 75 and the date of the judgment is 19th August 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 17-18. The assessee is a manufacturer and trader of hosiery goods, and the assessee has filed the return of income at a figure of rupees 2.48 lakh. The assessee has deposited rupees 23.78 lakh cash into his bank account during the year. The case of the assessee was not picked up under regular assessment, but it was picked up under section 148. My point is that when this information was with the AO at the time which was available for opening the case of the assessee under section 143 subsections 3, so that information could not be used to issue the notice under section 148, but in spite of that, the assessment under section 147 was completed by treating the cash deposit during the demonetization period as undisclosed income under section 68. Although the assessee has well explained during the assessment proceeding that the assessee has a opening stock of some 19 lakh, the assessee has made purchases of 25 lakh, the assessee has closing stock of also 12.98 lakh, and the assessee has also made a sale of rupees 40 lakh by disclosing a GP of 6.25 lakh. And the assessee has also produced the cash book and the bank statement in which there was clearly this fact was depicting that the assessee was receiving cash from his customers. The assessee was making regular sales, cash sales to the various customers and depositing the same cash into his bank account. But the addition under section 68 was made on the basis of just presumption and surmises and on the basis of preponderance of probability. The assessing officer was just carried away by the demonetization period that any amount which is deposited during the demonetization period was seen with the colored glasses. Unfortunately, and as usual, the CIT appeal also upheld the order of the AO, and when this matter was before the tribunal first of all appreciated this fact that the cash sales made by the assessee is a very constant phenomena of the assessee, and it is not an unusual phenomena, and it was not the first time that the assessee has deposited the cash during the demonetization period. The tribunal said that in the present case, the assessee has very well explained that this cash is out of the cash sales made by the assessee and cash received from the debtors, and which is very apparent from the cash book submitted by the assessee and bank statement submitted by the assessee for the various years. The tribunal said that on the basis of entirety of facts, taxing the same amount which has been already included in the sales is like double taxation which cannot be allowed. Friends, this case is very important. It is not only applicable for the cash deposit during the demonetization period, but it has been seen that whenever the department finds that there is some cash deposits, then they are carried away by the presumptions and they do not try to even appreciate the evidences, even in the cases where the nature of the business of the assessee suggests that the element of cash sales and element of cash received from debtors are there. This case is very helpful in taking up the cases of cash deposits. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Rajiv Dua versus income tax officer, and this case is reported in 125 ITR Tribunal short notes 75 and the date of the judgment is 19th August 2025. Thank you friends.